welcome back to online learning again and again and again and again, and hopefully this is the last time that we have to do online learning. Rules. Rule number 1, let's have Alex, go ahead and read rule number 1.
Your camera must always be on, and your name must be what it is in class, so we can call you on you.
Good. Make sure you read carefully, okay? So we can call on you. So your camera needs to always be on. Always, always, always. Thomas, why is your camera off? Anyone else? Okay. Your camera must always be on, and your name must be what it is in class so that we can call on you. So, checking names, how are we doing? Okay, good job on that. Number 2, let's have John. John, do you want to do number 2 for us?
Do your homework before class and follow
Directions.
about how to turn it in.
Very good. So remember, it might be a quizzes. It might be something you need to turn in with a picture. You might have to take a picture and send it. You might have to make a video. So make sure you follow the directions about how to turn it in. All right, number 3. Riku, you can read this one since you've already started.
You can unmute at any time and say question if you need.
Very good. Now it needs to be a real question, okay? We don't want to waste our classmates' time. It needs to be a real question, okay? So if you have a question, I want to hear it. You can unmute and say question 1 time. And when I am finished talking or finished, I'll say, okay, whoever said question, you can ask your question now. So if you have a question, how many times should you say question? Susie.
1 time.
Very good. Thank you, Susie. Okay. So, camera needs to be on. Your name needs to be what it is in class. You can unmute and say question 1 time, and when I'm finished speaking, I will ask you to ask your question. And remember, you can also send me a message in the chat. All right, number 1, let's have Ben. Ben, can you please read number 1?
If your hand something to share advice or ideas, click the raise your hand button.
Very good. So if you have a fun fact to share, click the raise your hand button. Maybe we're learning about ways to stop erosion and you have a really cool idea. Click the raise your hand button. You can also send me a message. If it's really, really, really important, you can unmute yourself and let me know right away, okay? If you think it's really, 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 really important and good. All right. Now, this next one is important. Everyone read number 2 together. You don't have to unmute, but I'm looking at your mouths. They need to be moving. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I. All right, and our last rule is to try your best. Always try our best. And with that, happy Lunar New Year. Anyone do anything they want to share? Go ahead and raise your hand if you have something you want to share with the class. Dragon, go ahead and unmute. What did you do for Tet Holiday?
I go to invite.
Oh, cool. Very fun. All right, who would like to share? Leo, go ahead, Leo.
I go to Haiphong.
Oh, to Haiphong. Do you have family there, or was it just for vacation?
My family there too.
Nice, very fun, Leo. Toi Ang, what did you do over your holiday?
I help Mom clean the house.
Oh, that's good of you. That's very nice of you to help your mom. How about Kat? Kat, what did you do over your holiday?
I help Mom and Dad and my sister
Mm-hmm.
the house.
All right, you also helped clean the house. Wow, you guys are such good children. I was not that nice when I was younger. My mom always wanted me to help clean, but I just wanted to play. So you guys are very good. Tony, what did you do over your holiday?
I go to my grandparents' house. I clean all my grandparents' house and
Anything
their
else?
outside house.
Nice. That's great. All right, Tiger. Tiger, what did you do?
I clean my house with my mom, dad, and dragon, and I make a thing to hang on the wall.
Oh, what thing did you make? Like a decoration, or what did you make to hang on the wall? Can you describe it?
I make a decoration. I take a rope and I write the letter Happy New Year.
2021. Dragon, did you help him?
Yes, I make a melon and star and a happy face.
Nice. Okay. Well, thank you everybody for sharing. I'm glad you had a good holiday. And now that we know how to raise our hand, how to have good behavior on Zoom, let's start class. We are finishing lesson 2. What changes on Earth happen quickly? Who remembers one? Lily, go ahead, Lily. Tell me one.
Earthquake.
Earthquakes. Excellent. Nice job, Lily. Who else has one? How about Ben? Go ahead, Ben.
Hurricanes.
Hurricanes. Nice. All right. Let's get another one. How about Perry?
Volcano.
Volcano. Nice. Okay. Anything else? Any other ones? Pony?
Tsunami.
Tsunami. Yes, tsunami. Who else has one? Thomas said typhoon. Very good. Similar to a hurricane, just a bit different. Mia?
Erosion.
Erosion. I will take that because erosion can happen quickly sometimes, like in a what? What fast change is erosion happening really quickly? Leo?
Earthquake.
Maybe an earthquake. Maybe an earthquake. What could an earthquake make happen? Let's hear from Thomas. Thomas, what's the answer?
Landslide.
Landslide. Very good. We have landslides. That's really fast erosion. Here we have our volcano eruption. I'll watch this one. It's funny. Wait for it to start over. She's doing her lipstick. And boom, whoa. What is this? Everyone unmute and tell me, what is this? A
Earthquake. Earthquake. Earthquake.
And the last one?
Tsunami.
Not tsunami. What's this last one? What's this last one? Everyone go ahead.
Hurricane! Hurricane!
Very good. And then we have our landslides and flood. Whoa.
Landslide.
Okay.
Broken down.
Now we're going to do a little review. There we go. I just want to go over some of the words before, during, and after. What does suddenly mean? Everyone, go ahead and underline the word suddenly on your iPad or your computer. Underline the word suddenly. All right, what does the word suddenly mean? Suddenly. Casper, what does the word suddenly mean?
It happened with no warning.
Excellent. It happens with no warning. Okay? It happens suddenly. Boom. Like a ghost pops out of the wall. That was so sudden. Or if school is canceled. School is canceled the night before because it's too cold. Oh, that was sudden. I didn't know that was going to happen. Robert?
That's unpredictable.
Exactly. Something that happens that's unpredictable. Very good. But that's why we need scientists. Scientists can help us predict it. Then it might not be quite as sudden. All right, so it happens suddenly and it forms cracks. Everything shakes, the buildings sway. Everyone show me crack. How would you do crack? Show me crack. Nice, good job. Good job, Ben. Yes, Robert, good. Leo, good. Show me shaking. Everything shakes. Show me shaking. Nice. All right, show me swaying. The trees and the buildings are swaying. Good job. Nice work, everybody. You guys remember volcanoes a bit better than the other ones. So I want to talk mostly about what happens after the volcano erupts. What changes does it make? How does a volcano change the land? Tom, can you tell me one way a volcano changes the land?
It forms new land.
Forms new land. Excellent. When the lava cools down, it forms new land. What's another way it changes Earth's surface? Another way. Lion?
The mountain different when it don't have volcano erupt.
Excellent. Okay, so after the volcano erupts, the mountain looks different. Look at the mountain before, and then look at it after. A lot of it's missing, right? How else does it change the land? There's at least one more way. I see Lion's hand up again, but let's see if someone else knows first. How about Pony? Pony, how else is the land changed? Or the Earth's surface?
It changed at the bottom of the mountain.
So another thing it changes is things that people make. What about the plants and the animals? Cat?
The animal will die.
The animals might die. Yes, if they can't run away quick enough, the animals might die. What about the plants and the trees? Any idea?
It will go again.
Very good, okay. Landslides. When things slide down a hill the way you slide down a slide. Everyone underline the word slope. Please find the word slope and underline it. Nice work, Thomas, John, Susie, Katz, first 4. Nice work. Good job. Nice. All right, so these things slide down a slope. All right, very quickly, very, very quickly. I think that's pretty good. Now, we can do a quick matching just to review. Let me make this a bit smaller so you can see all of them. There we go. All right, remember, whenever you draw, please make sure you draw nicely, right? A single straight line like this. I can see your names. I don't want to see any scribbles. None of this. No, okay? All right, go ahead and do the matching. All right, so the first one, the ground shakes. The second one, rock and soil. Oh, the second one, lava, gas, and rock. Very good. The third one, rocks and soil rush down a slope. Hurricane. All right, where do hurricanes start? John?
At the ocean.
In the ocean. Nice. Good job, John. Hurricanes start in the ocean. In the warm water of the ocean. All right. What comes with a hurricane? Alex, what are hurricanes made out of? What comes with the hurricane?
Water.
Water and?
Air.
Air. Very good. Water and air.
Powerful wind, powerful waves, and air.
Yes, I see you see it on this part here. All right, so right here, like Pony said, powerful wind, powerful waves. And how does a hurricane change Earth's surface? Twang, can you tell me one way a hurricane changes Earth's surface?
Landslide.
Okay, a hurricane could cause a landslide with its strong winds. All right, what else is it different? Jack?
The hurricane can make tree falls.
Very good, okay. So it can, like you said, uproot, make the roots go up. Uproot the trees, they fall over, it can knock down the houses, that costs a lot of money. And what else? There's one more thing that it says. Thomas?
They can make the buildings fall.
They can make the buildings fall. What about this last one right here? Why did we forget about the last one? Flooding. Look at all the ocean waves coming up onto land that's usually dry, all of the rain. All right. Flood. Everyone say the word flood.
Flood. Flood. Flood.
Flood.
Very good. So when water soaks an area that's usually dry, all right, it happens suddenly. Okay. Yeah, let's take a look at this.
Vesuvius and other volcanoes erupt rapidly. Large clouds of dust, ash, gas, and flaming rocks spill out of the top. Hot melted rock called lava oozes out and sometimes erupts into the sky. The Vesuvius eruption lasted only a day and still caused huge changes to the mountain and the area around it for miles.
All right, so the writing. Who would like to share what they wrote for this?
Now that you know more,
Actually, I'll go over to the book for this one. Who wants to share what they wrote here about the volcano? I'll lower your hands. Go ahead and raise your hand if you'd like to share what you wrote about the volcano. Thomas, go ahead.
The volcano makes lava rivers and drains the mountain and the land around it. Ash covers the sky and drains the land.
Excellent. That's perfect, Thomas. How about Susie? Go ahead, Susie.
When a volcano erupts, smoke, lava flew out the volcano. Everything near it turns into dust or falls over. Then it will change the land.
Very nice. Excellent job, Susie. All right, Jack, go ahead.
The volcano can hurt any plant. Large rock, ash, lava will erupt.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. All right. It's pretty good job, everybody. Now, let's go over the next question.
how does a hurricane cause changes to Earth's surface? Order the pictures to show what happens first, next, and last.
All right, go ahead and draw your lines so I know where to drop them. Which one goes first, second, and third? Everyone. Okay, much, much better. I can actually see where your lines are going. All right. So this is where I see the lines. Let's me move them there. So you're saying this one is first, so this would be the before. You said this one is second, so this would be during. And you also, this is third, so this one's after. Let's check. Nice, good job, everybody.
The first picture shows a beach before a hurricane. The third picture shows what happens during a hurricane. The second picture shows how the area looks after a hurricane.
All right, next question.
How long does a landslide last? Choose A, a few minutes, B, a few months, or C, a few years.
All right, how about Lily? What did you put?
A few minutes.
A few minutes?
Yes.
Let's see.
Question.
Go ahead, what's your question?
We do it in the book?
Yes, if it's not done already, please do it in the book now.
Which page?
This is on 262.
Oh. Hi, I do already.
Good, okay. So everyone, landslide is a fast change and only lasts a few minutes. Next question. Everyone, make sure you give yourselves a check or an X. Lily, make sure you're paying
What are some
attention.
effects of a hurricane? Choose all correct answers. A, beaches are reshaped. B, farms get buried in ash and dust. C, trees blow over.
All right, let's have Tom answer this one. Tom, what are the answers?
Beach are reshaped.
Good. Remember, reshaped. To shape again. They're a new shape. All right. Anything else, Tom?
Trees blow over.
Very good. Excellent. And remember, everyone, you can also answer in the group chat. In the chat, Thomas put A and C as well. Very good, Tom. Nice work.
Question.
Nice job. Hurricanes bring strong winds and waves to coastlines. They can move a lot of sand, reshape beaches, and blow over trees.
All right. Riku, what's your question?
What did it ask?
Raspberry.
Say again?
What is raspberry?
Reshaped. So we know what shaped means. How is it shaped? Is it a circle? Is it wavy? Reshaped. Remember, means to do something again, like regroup, rewrite, reteach, review.
Okay, I remember already.
Okay, good.
Which picture is the cause of each effect? Match each cause with its effect.
All right. Let's match each cause to its effect. Go ahead and draw neatly. Please draw clearly.
I cannot see.
All right. So it looks like you're saying the cause for this one, and wind and water can move sand is the effect. What is this first one, everyone? Go ahead and say it. What is this one?
Hurricane.
Good. All right. This one, the cause is rocks and mud can wash away trees.
Landslide.
Go ahead.
Landslide. Volcano.
Nice work. Now let's do our next question. We only have 2 minutes.
What happens when the ground begins to shake?
What is this one? Everybody say it.
Earthquake.
Good. Earthquake.
Describe floods and hurricanes.
All right. Who can fill in the blank and read the full answer? Leo, go ahead, Leo.
Flood happens when water overflows. A hurricane brings high winds and large waves to a coastline.
Very good. Remember the coastlines, the land along the beach.
Well done. Hurricanes are...
All right. Nice work today, everybody. All right. Now, you are going to do a quizzes for homework, and it's a review quiz. It's not your lesson quiz. Okay? It's not your lesson quiz. It's just a review quiz. All right? So you can do it as many times as you want. All right. Bye, everybody. I will see you tomorrow.